What's up, everybody? I think today's gonna be the last vlog for the everyday vlogs in June, or everyday uploads.
Rhodes Ranch?
Yeah, Rhodes Ranch. We're here at Rhodes Ranch. I'm here with Nick and his dad. Yeah, playing some golf. We got the dub yesterday. So today we're just chilling. Sorry there's nothing special for the last day in June, but I don't know how much bowling content there will be either, but we got something special later in this vlog, so stay tuned to find out. Oh, and hit the sub button because you're here. It's right there. Why not?
I wouldn't call this chilling.
Yeah, we just finished our round of golf. I sucked. They played all right. You shoot 83?
83.
That's pretty good. What did Dad shoot?
86.
86?
86.
For
Nice.
an old fat man.
Yeah. We're not gonna talk about how I played, but it was fun.
Slightly more strokes.
Yeah. Yeah, my legs are a little sore after this weekend playing golf, bowling. So we're gonna head home, do a little treatment. Oh, Darren, what do we have here?
Looks like we've got the Hydrogun. Huh.
You gonna do a little Hydrogun unboxing?
I muscles do feel pretty tight. I think this might be just what I need to go through my day without having to worry about back pain and whatever pain you got going on. So
Yeah, I can afford to loosen up a little bit too. Did a lot of bowling, played a lot of golf, heavy on the legs. Just loosen them up. Such finesse. All right, what do we have here? Oh my God, that's
Whoa.
me. Wow, that's crazy. Huh, that's kind of cool.
that is pretty cool.
What's the back say? Hello, Darren. Here's to achieving greatness. Team Hydrogun. I like greatness, and this is really cool.
That is pretty cool.
This is like, I didn't know this was gonna be like this legit.
I didn't think so either.
Pull it out of the box. Let's see what we got.
They added their personal touch.
little flare. It's kind of cool.
They give you a little fancy case.
If you guys don't know who Derek is, he's buff, he works out, so if he approves of this gun, you know that's what's up.
And
What do we have
wow,
in here?
look at this.
This guy, look at this.
Wow. They got everything nice and all the parts nice and organized in this case.
Pretty heavy.
Let's see.
Like
what am I
it feels
feeling
like it's quality.
It smells like a new gun. All right. Is that it? So you just twist it in? No, you just twist it in. Press and hold, and you can change. Press again to change the speed.
Oh, there we go.
Are we in business? Oh, we're in business.
It is pretty quiet.
That's the first speed. Pretty quiet. Let's see how effective it is. Oh yeah, that's good. Dig into those tissues.
Nice. Let me try. The quads, man. Oh my goodness, that's it. Yeah.
Gotta get those quads.
Yeah.
Even sounds rejuvenating.
Dude. That's nice. I like it. Do you tap? It's got 6 speeds.
6 speed. Oh wow, I only went halfway.
You gotta try the 6 speed.
Oh goodness, that sounds so intense.
Oh, wow. Recovery? Yes. This is it, man.
Yeah?
So that's kind of cool, yeah. You got the levels, 1 through 6, and then I'm guessing this is how charged it is, so.
Yep, looks like
Half
they gave us a
charge
half
right now.
charge.
Solid. Hydrogun, yeah. So yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing a massage gun, and I've had a few. I've tried the Hybrid Volt. There's another one that my dad gave me for, I think he got it for Christmas, but he ended up giving it to me because he thought I could use it more. This thing, that 6th speed, I don't know if I've ever felt anything like that. So if you're interested, click the link in the description below. You can check it out. Hydrogun, nice. Thank you. Here we are.
It's empty. It's empty.
Well, wait, we're waiting for you. Do you think you're just gonna show up and there's gonna be food on your plate?
That'd be ideal.
Oh my god. Unreal. Can you believe this guy? Alright, vlog, say goodnight to Nick.
Good night.
He's feeling good. He's bowling at 9 a.m. tomorrow. We might see them at 11.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Thanks a lot, my friend.
You see me at 11 too.
You got any words for the people?
No. I don't.
Really?
I would love some boba right now though.
Oh, we can go?
Let's go get some boba.
All right.
Let's do it.
All right, everybody, we're back for a little 2-in-1 vlog. It's the next day, by the way, and I just pulled into the Orleans, where I'm gonna go play ball rep today. All right, so I'm here at the TAT, sponsored by Grip, and Derek and Nick are bowling. So I'm gonna try to help Derek out because he's still trying to learn and get better. He doesn't have a lot of experience with tournaments. Nick, I'm just here to give him a bad time. So far.
6'11". It's pretty good.
The thumbs up does not seem like a valid response based on what you've been telling me before the camera turned on.
Well, you know, positive outlook. Tomorrow I'll get them.
All right.
Fine.
Easy money.
Easy money.
Nice.
After I did it 2 hours ago.
All right. This is Derek's first TAT experience. How is it going?
It's a bit rough, but learning a lot as I go along. Got a lot of help from this guy too.
I didn't really do anything. I played Pokemon the whole time.
Well, I mean, you were watching me for a good amount, so it gave me some good pointers.
Yeah,
Learning a lot more about the sport.
You just gotta play. Play the game. You gotta think about the stuff behind the foul, on the other side of the foul line, not this side. If you're thinking about foul line stuff while you're bowling, you're probably not bowling too well. You only want like 1 or 2 swing thoughts just to think about every single time to keep things consistent.
Exactly.
So he's gonna keep bowling. I'm gonna go home and stream. Any last words for the vlog? This is the last vlog in June.
This is the last vlog in June?
Yeah, this is gonna cap off the 30 days.
Thank you all for tuning in to my man's channel. Hit the like button while you're here. Subscribe if you're not. I mean, I don't see why not. So,
About a little more than 50% of people that watch the channel are not subscribed.
just subscribe. It's free.
It is. Hit the red
Just tap
button.
it. It takes like literally 1 second to tap the red
Easy,
button.
easy.
Easy money.
You know, I like to give stuff away too, so the faster that number goes up, the more stuff I give away.
You're leaving free stuff on the table.
All right, guys, we'll catch you in July. Peace.